Lovely evening so far on Tiger Lily. As I head from Vineyard Haven in what's known as the Lagoon Pond to Third Beach is the plan. Do an overnighter there before I go up to Sakonnet. And it's just beautiful out. I timed the current pretty well. I think I got about a knot and a half with me as I go through Vineyard Sound. And just moving right along nicely with the 115% Genoa, full main. Doing about 6.9, 7 speed over the ground, which is great. And with any luck, this current's going to push us up past the point at Cutty Hunk. We'll see how that goes. Might have to tack again, no big deal. Really lovely out here, perfect temperature. Boat's doing fantastic. Sometimes it's nice to be alone with the water moving against the hull and the wind. Solitude can be nice for a while. But I'd like my first mate back, so that's the plan this week. Get her back on board. I think the wind, she's going to bring the wind with her too, so it should be interesting. So just a lovely sail, pretty much all alone here on a Sunday evening. And I'll get in, looks like after dark. Should be okay though. I think this southwesterly, well, hopefully it hangs in, but it'll be well sheltered at Third Beach in this condition. A little view to weather here. That's the end of Cutty Hunk in front of me. And Martha's Vineyard off to the side. Very nice day. Nice day to make this little transit. That's all from the Tiger Lily. Thanks for watching.